Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. Mr. Kirtan has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, I'm purchasing an apartment in Bengaluru for rupees 45 lakhs by taking home loan. This is a home loan taken in mine and my wife's name. I am earning rupees 8 lakhs per year and my wife is earning 7 lakhs. Can we both claim tax benefits and how much can we claim? In fact, many people are not aware of the fact that people can actually claim tax benefits when they take joint home loan in both the names. So which means if husband and wife are availing home loan to buy a property, you both can claim income tax benefit under Section 80C and 24E. So I'll tell you how much you can claim. So under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, you can claim up to 1.5 lakh towards the principal repayment in a year. So whatever the principal amount you repay, you can claim it under here. So which means both husband and wife can claim 1.5 lakh each, which means total of about 3 lakh rupees. The second benefit you can claim is 2 lakh rupee towards interest payment under Section 24, which means both husband and wife can claim 2 lakh each. So total is 4 lakh. So 4 plus 3, 7 lakh. If you both fall into 30% income tax bracket, it means on 7 lakh, you're literally saving 30%, which is about 2.1 lakh in taxes alone, right? And the next thing you can save is under Section 80EEA. Under Section 80EEA, you get to save claim up to 1.5 lakh in case if you are a first-time home buyer. Also, you must note that your home value, the value of your property should be less than 45 lakh. If the property is valued more than 45 lakh, then you can't avail this 1.5 lakh additional interest benefit, which means, as you all know, whenever you take home loan, even if you take home loan of 45 lakh or for the property worth 45 lakh, if you avail a home loan of 40 lakh rupees, the interest component in the first year will be upwards of 3.5 lakh rupees, right? So if it is 3.5 lakh, 2 lakh you can claim under Section 80, under Section 24E. But then the remaining amount you can claim it here under Section 80EEA. So now you both can claim. But as you really know, when you take this joint home loan, your interest component will be divided between husband and wife, which means together you won't pay more than 4 lakh interest. Since you don't pay more than 4 lakh interest, you don't have to necessarily claim under this 80EEA section. But this is something which you can claim if you're taking it in individual name, if you're taking it alone. So please make use of the joint home loan benefits. The income tax benefits can be claimed by both of you. Also, I want to remind you that many of you buy homes, buy flats just because you want to avail home loan and get tax benefits. I'm telling you that's not the right approach, because the tax benefits you get through interest component or the principal repayment under Section 80C or 24E is not big amount. The amount of HRA you can actually enjoy is actually much higher. But then also I want you to remember that whenever you invest in an apartment, that's basically a concrete, that won't have much appreciation. Don't purchase an apartment for investment sake. Buy an apartment because you want to live there, you want to enjoy a good society. In fact, we have covered all these things in different courses we have got on Financial Freedom app. We have a dedicated course on home loan on Financial Freedom app. We have a dedicated course on real estate in Financial Freedom app. These courses will give you a lot more clarity on these subjects. I want you to watch all these courses, and on Financial Freedom app, there are about 58 courses in personal finance, career, business, farming, and life skills. Please download Financial Freedom app from Play Store, App Store. Watch all these courses, and if you have any questions related to any of these topics, please post your questions on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.